In this lesson, we will learn about finding whole words in a text using regular expressions. We will explore patterns to match entire words and understand the concept of word boundaries. The pattern preview shows \bword\b. This pattern is used to find a specific, whole word within a larger text. So, what exactly is a word boundary? A word boundary is the position between a word character and a non-word character. It is represented by \b in regular expressions. This special sequence helps us to match whole words only, avoiding partial matches within other words. Let's differentiate between word characters and non-word characters. Word characters include lowercase letters A through Z, uppercase letters A through Z, digits 0 through 9, and the underscore. Non-word characters consist of spaces, punctuation marks, and symbols. Understanding this difference is key to using word boundaries effectively. Here are a few examples to illustrate how word boundaries work. In the text, "Hello world, this is text," the word boundaries are indicated by vertical lines. You can see how the boundary is at the beginning and end of each word, separating it from spaces, commas, and periods. To match complete words, you can use the pattern \bword\b. This pattern will match word only as a complete word and not as a part of another word. This is particularly useful when you need to find specific, standalone words in a text. You can also use word boundaries to specify the start or end of a word. To match words starting with a specific sequence, use \b followed by the word. For example, \bword. To match words ending with a specific sequence, use the word followed by \b. For example, word \b. Here's a practical example using Python. We first import the re module. We define a text string. The cat and category are different. We then define a pattern as raw string \bcat\b. We use reFindAll to find all the matches of the pattern in the text. The output will be a list containing only cat, because we are matching only the standalone word cat, and not cat, as part of category. Word boundaries have several common use cases. You can use it to find specific words such as \b, the \b. You can replace whole words such as \b, old \b, then an arrow, then new. You can identify variable names with the pattern \b, open square bracket, a -z underscore, close square bracket, +sign \b. The key takeaway is that word boundaries ensure precise matching of complete words. Using \b prevents partial matches, allowing you to target specific words accurately. This is crucial for tasks like data cleaning, text analysis, and information retrieval. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.